Hi. It's been ages since I recorded this, hasn't it? No, I'm doing it again. What did I even... I don't remember what I was using just now. Probably that, because I usually am.
They've given me 2 gifts. Isn't that obvious?
Oi!
2 little shards of crystal. It's very, very sharp. When I strike it, it sings to me.
Oh!
They wanted to sing to Sergeant Franz. I go there now to share my gift with her.
Good.
They're very fragile, but very sharp.
Wait. What is that noise? Bloody Silent Hill. Which is very appropriate, so I can say Happy Halloween, everyone. Hopefully I remember to upload this today. Because, you know, I would like to. Shall we have Brawn Boost for a minute? Yeah, we shall. Oh! What's that? An unresearched object. Oh. So while we're researching that... I can't use that. Whoa, energy of 6? Screw that. Can I unload it? Wait, where is it? Is that it? Yeah. No, you can't unload it. While that thing is researching, I'm sorry to inform you that this may be a slightly boring session, because I'm actually gonna run back to the first floor, you know, the place that I started. What's that? Oh, that dude. Yeah, I'm gonna run back to that first place where I started the game, so I can find some stuff, basically. If I can remember where that was. I don't need that anymore. Right. You know? Oi! It's alright. If I can... I think this was the way. Yeah, someone informed me that, like, you know, there's stuff in the place. You know, the place where the stuff happened and the things and the... Excuse me. Oh, great. Now they're showing up regularly. Not even just when they have stuff that I need. Right. I think that's it. I think that's what I needed. Yeah, CS. CSI Miami. Let's just finish this off. I guess I'll take a bit more so I can head back to the other place while I'm researching this. Oh, it's just you.
I'm sure this sister's what you...
And you! Oh! It's right behind you! Oh shit. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Sorry, I've completely forgotten where the elevator is. Or am I going the wrong way? No, I'm not. Don't worry. I've got this under control. There's the elevator. There's the elevator. Let's go. Back to engineering. I think that's where it was, right? No, it isn't. Med-Sci, I think. Yeah. Can we have the music? Oh, it's just you.
Items dropped.
Oh man, I can't even hold that.
Research complete.
Oh, good. Damage done. What? When the user of this implant is damaged, 1 point of every 4 points of damage done is subtracted from side points. Instead of... That's mouldy. But I'll have it. Might come in handy. Not that I have any psi stuff anyway. Where's the chemical room? Right! Stop that! You haven't even seen me! Or had you? No, I think there's no point in this. Can't be bothered. But yeah, I have gone the wrong way. Oh yes! Right, what did we need? Yttrium. Yeah.
Research
It's a
complete.
very dangerous hand-to-hand weapon. It requires exotic skill of 1, which I don't currently have. But like, I will as soon as possible. Osmium. We need some osmium. And there is some osmium. Hopefully that's enough. Oh, whoosh! Please be enough, because I don't think there's any more here. And then there's just that one. Hurry up! I want to be able to heal with this shiz. Yeah? Yeah.
Research complete.
Oi! Healing gland. Physically heal damage. Let's see how much. 1. Oh geez. Oh! No, it has a slow healing effect. Sorry, I think I just wasted a whole bunch. When did I save it? Not long ago. Recently enough to be worth a redo. Sorry. I do apologise. We needed some... What did we need? Yttrium. And osmium. Sorry. Right, so while it's doing that... Where were some... I would like some... upgradey things. Sorry. Yeah, you better be. You've ruined my day. Oh! No skills for you? Oh! Let's see what this
Hi there.
has.
Please make your selection.
Maintenance tool, standard bullets. I do want a lot of maintenance tools. Oh, la!
Value wrap.
Research complete.
Right. So I need exotic skills. Let's see just how much those heal. Love the music in this game, you realise.
Hi there.
Sorry, what am I doing?
Please make your selection. Thank you for choosing
What's the
value
point?
wrap.
You got healing glands. I don't remember where some upgradey things were. We'll come across some anyway. Then maybe I can finally get rid of this wrench. In fact, there was some nearby in hydroponics, I think. Oi! Just in here? Was there a gun one? No. Oi! Oh! It's alright, I just healed all the damage you did to me, pretty much. Endure boost. Put that back on. No, it doesn't have what I want. Let's have a quick look at the map here. I don't know. We'll come across some eventually. Whatever. I'm not in a rush. Operations. Wait, can we go to... We can go to recreation. But do I want to yet? Oh wait, what do I see? Who are you? Yeah, hi.
Delacroix. Delacroix, it's me, Cortez. We're locked in here.
I'm not Delacroix.
Hey, who are you?
Not Delacroix.
Shit.
Yeah, shit. Why did it bloody do that? Wait. It's when I press Control and D. I mean, Control and S. Hang on. Great. When I changed the Control and S setting to clear marker thing, the game crashed. And of course, quick saves are cleared, so see you there. Along the way, I was reminded of this room, so I can get some exotic yums. Now I can use it. Well, after I research it anyway. See you there. Also, I just remembered, while we're here... Wait, where is it? Here it is. Wait. Okay. Whoop! Hello? Quantum simulation. Oh. There we go! Yay. The woman is taking over. Meow. Worms! Worms. Armageddon. No, stop! We've already done that. Time to die! Ow! Time to die. It was. Oh, sorry. Cut it out. Right, so here we are, just finishing off this again. Ah, now we can use it. That looks pretty funky. Yeah. It's just a new wrench. It's about time we get rid of that piece of crap. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that, didn't I? Wait. Gah. Is there any gah here?
Research complete.
Yes, there is actually. We also need some CF, which we also have. When it's required.
Chemical needed.
So what is it? It's a bunch of worms. Let's see what they do.
Research complete.
It's... Oh. Oh. Just, tells you that they're resistant to energy weapons, that's all. How useless! Go away! I should have known it would be something like that. I can't wait to test this. Okay. Oh! That doesn't even run out of charge, does it? Oh, I was going to use the machine again, but screw it. I don't need anything right now. Okay, let's go to operations and finish up here before we go to recreation. I don't even remember where I've been now. This is just grand.
Your flesh
Hi.
will welcome us.
Ow. I don't know if it did much damage, but... I've completely lost track of where I've been. This is the trouble. Ah!
Are we?
No!
Follow.
You're not very good at using those grenades, are you? What's up here then, huh? Cool. Lara Croft. Hell yeah, I am. Wait, have I been here? I don't remember.
Who joins us here?
Not me. Oh, kill me! I did. Oh, he didn't say it this time. It's because he died too quick. Malik. Ah!
Bronson knows. Won't let her undo the work we've done.
No.
Wired up a surprise for her.
Yeah.
Any approaching sin. Feel sorrow. So much sorrow.
Ah. Sorrow.